You know that black hole inside your car?
Should have had a drop stop.
That bottomless pit? Bermuda Triangle? Should have had a drop stop.
That annoying gap between the seat and center console? Should have had a drop stop.
Now you can stop the drop with
Drop Stop! Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Mark, and our amazing invention will save you time,
Money,
and maybe even your life.
Watch this. Money down the drain. Makeup, jewelry, cell phone. But with Drop Stop, you'll be saving cash in a flash, and you'll never have to search for anything ever again.
We came up with the idea of Drop Stop after my phone fell. I took my eyes off the road, nearly hit a pedestrian, and almost smashed into a pole. Don't drop and drive. Keep your eyes on the road, not in your gap.
The secret to Drop Stop is this built-in slot, designed to go around the seatbelt catch, anchoring to the seat. That means nothing's getting through. Not a dime, not a toothpick.
And since Drop Stop slides, it's always at your side.
Drop Stop's not some cheap piece of foam. It's high-grade neoprene, built to last.
Look at all the crumbs and dirt.
Now you're free from debris.
Drop Stop may look too wide, but it's squishy inside, which means one size fits all.
And since the gap is always a dark shadow, Drop Stop blends with any color interior.
Drop Stop works on the driver's side.
And the passenger side, so you'll not only get one, but two Drop Stops for the low price of $19.99. That's two stain-resistant Drop Stops for less than $10 a piece.
So stop taking chances. Call right now to put an end to this problem once and for all with
Drop Stop!